Hey, ever heard of World Hindi Day? Let's talk about what it is. It's a special day when we celebrate the Hindi language all over the world. You can think of it like a big birthday party for a language. So what's the big idea? It's to help spread Hindi everywhere and show everyone how beautiful it is and all the cool stories it has. It's not just about speaking Hindi. It's also about really loving it. You know, like you love a great movie or your favorite song. This day is super important for people who speak Hindi, people learning it, and anyone who's just curious about the language. It's a chance to connect with others, maybe learn a new word or two, or get super excited about watching Bollywood movies. World Hindi Day is all about making Hindi easy for everyone to get into and enjoy. It's not just some date on the calendar. It's like a big movement to shine a light on Hindi's amazing past, what's happening now, and where it's going. And the main point? To help Hindi grow bigger and bring people from different cultures together. Imagine Hindi is like a language superhero, using awesome words to bring all sorts of people together. So yeah, World Hindi Day is all about feeling proud, connecting with others, and having a big celebration. It's people all over the world working together to keep Hindi lively and exciting. It doesn't matter if you speak Hindi perfectly or are just starting to learn. This day is for you. So soak up all the good feelings, share the love for Hindi, and let it shine bright. That's pretty much what World Hindi Day is all about. Sounds pretty cool, huh? So how did World Hindi Day even begin? Let's go back in time and find out. It all kicked off with the very first World Hindi Conference. This was in a city called Nagpur in India, way back on January 10th, 1975. The Prime Minister at the time, Indira Gandhi, got it started. Lots of smart people, writers and poets from India and other countries were there too. What was their big plan? To make Hindi famous all over the world. They wanted everyone everywhere to see that Hindi was more than just a language spoken in India. That one meeting started something really big. Then let's jump ahead to 2006. That's when Prime Minister Manmohan Singh officially said, okay, January 10th is now World Hindi Day. So now, every single year, we remember that super important meeting and celebrate how Hindi traveled from Nagpur out to the whole world. It's all about dreaming big and feeling proud of the language. World Hindi Day celebrates that big idea, making Hindi a superstar language known everywhere. So, when you join in the fun, you're actually part of a cool story that started many years ago. Gap 2S. It went from just one meeting to a party celebrated all over the globe, and that's how World Hindi Day got its start. Okay, here's a fun fact. There are actually two big days for celebrating Hindi. World Hindi Day is on January 10th and it's celebrated all around the world. This one is all about showing Hindi to the whole planet. Then, there's another day called National Hindi Diwas. That's on September 14th and it's mainly celebrated in India. So why September 14th? Well, way back in 1949 on that day, Hindi, written in a script called Devanagari, became one of India's official languages. So you can think of World Hindi Day as the big international party and National Hindi Diwas as the awesome party at home in India. Both days are super important. One is for feeling proud of Hindi around the world and the other is for celebrating it as part of India's heart and soul. They started for different reasons and have different feelings, but they both want the same thing, to love and support the Hindi language. It's like loving a band when they go on a world tour and loving them when they play a show in their own hometown. Both are totally awesome, just in their own special ways. So it doesn't matter if you're celebrating in India or somewhere else in the world, there's a special day for you to join in. World Hindi Day brings the whole world together and National Hindi Diwas celebrates where Hindi comes from. Two special days, one amazing language and so much pride. And that's the story of how we celebrate Hindi. Now you know the difference. Cool, right? Hindi is like a global rock star. It's one of the languages spoken by the most people on our whole planet. Millions and millions of people say Namaste, not just in India but all over the world. You'll find lots of people speaking Hindi in places like Fiji, Mauritius, Guyana, Suriname, Trinidad and Tobago, Nepal, and so many other countries. And you'll hear Hindi in the USA, the UK, Canada, Australia, pretty much anywhere Indian people have made their homes. It's more than just a language, it's like a bridge that connects different cultures. And Bollywood movies? Oh yeah, people watch them everywhere even if they don't speak Hindi. The music, the stories, the art, they travel across countries, no problem. More and more people are learning Hindi for work, for travel, or just because they think it's cool. Being able to watch Bollywood movies without subtitles, that's super awesome. Hindi is becoming more and more important all over the world, like a big star on the world stage. It's not just about the words, it's about connecting with people. Hindi is lively, full of expression, and it's definitely here to stay. The whole world is starting to listen, and Hindi is helping to lead the way. So, no matter where you are, Hindi is probably not too far away. So, watch out, world. Hindi's amazing trip around the globe is just beginning. So how do we celebrate World Hindi Day? With lots of fun ideas and a whole lot of heart. Governments and groups that love culture put on things like poetry readings, writing contests, plays, and music shows. All in Hindi, of course. Indian embassies all over the world plan cool events. They invite Indians living abroad and also local folks who are curious to learn more. It's like a big cultural party that brings everyone together. Online, you'll see hashtags like #WorldHindiDay popping up everywhere. People share cool quotes, poems, and videos in Hindi. There are online workshops and language lessons too, so anyone can easily join in the fun from anywhere. Technology helps connect all the Hindi lovers out there. It doesn't matter where you live. Lots of people try to speak extra Hindi on this day, call their families, or watch some classic Hindi movies. Some people even start learning Hindi for the first time, or practice the Hindi they already know. It's all about making Hindi a fun and lively part of your day. How you celebrate is up to you. Whether it's something big or something small, it all matters. The main thing? To keep Hindi going strong, make it fun and easy for everyone to get into. Every single celebration, whether it's online or in person, helps make the Hindi language even stronger. So come on and join in, share the love for Hindi, and let it shine super bright. That's how we party for World Hindi Day. Woohoo! What's next for Hindi? Its future looks super bright, and a big reason is technology. Learning Hindi is now easier than ever before. There are apps, websites, and online dictionaries to help you out. Tools that translate and special Hindi keyboards make typing and chatting in Hindi online super easy. More and more schools and colleges all over the world are teaching Hindi classes. Young kids are learning Hindi early on, which is awesome because it means Hindi will be around for a long, long time. And there's so much Hindi stuff out there now. Movies, cool web shows, music, podcasts. It makes learning really fun and interesting. Writers, actors, and people who make cool things in Hindi have more chances than ever to share their work. Hindi is doing great online, from social media sites to blogs. You can learn new things and have fun at the exact same time. Gap 2S. Technology is knocking down walls and helping Hindi reach every corner of the world. This digital age is totally a win-win for helping Hindi grow. The language is changing and growing, and the whole world is starting to pay attention. Fun cultural events are super important for sharing the magic of Hindi. Things like film festivals and music concerts show off Hindi's amazing history and culture to people all over the world. These events get people curious and invite new folks to check out the language. Young people are a huge part of this. They do social media challenges, start language clubs, and make cool stuff online that keeps Hindi fresh and exciting. Young folks bring new energy, come up with new cool words, and really make Hindi their own. They're like the ones carrying the torch, making sure Hindi stays lively and awesome for kids in the future. So, culture and young people working together, that's what keeps Hindi alive and always changing in cool new ways. Can you imagine Hindi being one of the official languages at the United Nations? Wow, that's a big dream. India has been trying really hard to make this happen. The goal is for Hindi to get respect all over the world. If Hindi becomes a UN language, it would make it super important and seen by everyone on the world stage. It's not easy though. It costs money, there are a lot of steps, and other countries need to agree and help out. But India is working on it, talking to people, and trying to get Hindi used more within the UN. If it actually happens, it'll be such a proud moment for everyone who speaks Hindi, no matter where they are. It would open up new chances for the language and make it even more important around the world. It's a long road, but what they're trying to achieve is totally worth it. So let's keep our fingers crossed for Hindi at the UN. So, why is World Hindi Day such a big deal? Well, it's all about coming together and feeling proud. People who speak Hindi from all over the globe get together to celebrate how much they love the language. It's a special day to remember and honor Hindi's amazing history, its great stories and poems, and its wonderful culture. World Hindi Day gets new generations excited to learn Hindi and use it in their everyday lives. It's all about keeping the language strong, healthy, and growing. Hindi is more than just words. It's about who you are and feeling like you belong. The community of Hindi speakers is lively, fun, and super welcoming to everyone. So, happy World Hindi Day, everyone. Let's all help keep the amazing spirit of Hindi alive and kicking.